Ground. Good day.
Good day, go ahead.
At parking. Information. Papa. Read to copy.
You are cleared to Oscar Echo Juliet November via Sierra India Tango Alpha 3 Foxtrot 4,000 feet. Contact when ready to start.
Cleared to Oscar Echo Juliet November via Sierra India Tango Alpha 3 Foxtrot 4,000 feet. When ready to start.
Redback is correct.
Ground, Alpha, India 984, request startup. Alpha, India 984, startup approved. Report when ready to taxi. Wilco. Request taxi. Alpha, India 984, taxi to holding point runway 30 right. Kilo, Quebec 310, ground, landed at 51, report runway vacated. Ground, Kilo, Quebec 310, runway vacated. Request taxi to gate. Kilo, Quebec 310, continue taxi to gate. Wilco.
Ground. Request pushback.
Pushback approved at own discretion.
Ground. Request startup.
Startup approved. Report when ready to taxi.
Startup approved. Call you back when ready to taxi.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned on the fasten seatbelt sign. If you haven't already done so, please stow your carry-on luggage underneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin. Please take your seat and fasten your seatbelt. And also make sure your seat back and folding trays are in their full upright position. If you are seated next to an emergency exit, please read carefully the special instructions card located by your seat. Thank you.
Ground.
We are now ready for takeoff. Please make sure your seatbelts are fastened and all baggage is secured underneath your seat or in the overhead compartments. We also ask that your seats and table trays are in the upright position for takeoff. Please switch to airplane mode all personal electronic devices, including laptops and cell phones. Enjoy your flight.
Foxtrot, Zulu 915, you are cleared to Uniform, Romeo, Mike, Lima, Via, Delta, Alpha, Victor, Mike, 1, Foxtrot, 4,000 feet. Contact when ready to start. Cleared to Uniform, Romeo, Mike, Lima, Via, Delta, Alpha, Victor, Mike, 1, Foxtrot, 4,000 feet. When ready to start. Foxtrot, Zulu 915, redback is correct. Echo Kilo 509 ground, landed at 55, report runway vacated. Ground, Echo Kilo 509, runway vacated, request taxi to gate. Echo Kilo 509, continue taxi to gate. Wilco. Echo Kilo 1.
Ground. Holding point runway. 30 right.
Contact tower on 118.750.
Roger. Contact tower on 118.750. Tower. Good day. Holding point runway. 30 right. Ready for departure.
Wind 108 degrees 1 knots. Clear for takeoff runway 30 right. Report leaving 3,000 feet.
Clear for takeoff runway 30 right. Call you back passing 3,000 feet.
Tower Alpha India 984 ready for departure runway 30 right. Alpha India 984 tower clear for takeoff runway 30 right. Clear for takeoff runway 30 right.
knots. D1. Positive rate. Gear up.
Pull up. Don't sink. Don't sink. Too low. Terrain.
Flaps. Tower, leaving 3,000 feet.
Airborne at 59. Contact. Radar on 120.4. 0.
Contact. Radar. On. 1 2.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign, and you may now move around the cabin. However, we always recommend to keep your seatbelt fastened while you're seated.
Information. Papa at 2000 Zulu. Departure runway 30 right. Transition level 140. Wind 111 degrees 1 knots. Kavik. Temperature 32 dew point 24. QNH 1010.
Flaps. Tower. Tower. Good day. Full establish runway 34 right.
Contact tower on 118.200.
Tower on 118.200.
2500. Sink rate. Sink rate. Full up.
Flaps. Gear down. Tower. Good day. Full establish runway 34 right.
2500.
Good day. Wind 350 degrees 2 knots. Clear to land runway 34 right.
Clear to land runway 34 right.
2000.
Tower. Runway vacated.
Contact ground on 121.600.
Roger. Ground on 121.600. 600.
400. Approaching minimums. 300. 200. 100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Ground. Runway 34 right. Vacated. Request taxi to gate.
Roger. Continue taxi to gate.
Wilco.